Hi, oneshimasu. In this video, we are in the second Kumi Jo, okay? We are always in the park of the musica, Parco della Musica. We are here at Cagliari, because I live here at Cagliari with Susie Sensei, and our dojo, our Hombu dojo, is at Sinnai, which is my town, okay? It's near Cagliari. This said, in this second Kumi Jo, I will show you some details that I have missed. I know it was a long video, but it was needed because it was the first video about the Kumi Jo. From that video, I will not replay again the same thing. So I suggest you to go back to watch the first video. Always watch the first video to have the details of the other movements. Okay. So, oneshimasu. When Susan say, let's go here. Okay, thank you. Back on the camera is our cameraman Alberto, who is doing the video for us. We thank him. Okay, so the first thing to understand is this. A moment. When Susie Sensei is in Jono Kamae, from this position, it is very, very difficult to attack because she can deflect anything. Okay, the Kumi Jo are born to show this kind of movements, the first 5 Kumi Jo, because all the first 5 Kumi Jo, the guard is always from the Jono Kamae. Jono Kamae is made in front of a front leg, hidari yammi. My hand is here, near the belt, the obi, and my hand can be here if I'm doing some kind of exercise, or here, okay, mostly here. Think about somebody who's walking through the mountains and suddenly finds someone who is in front of us. So he puts the jaw in front like something, like a wall, okay? I have my katana here, my wakizashi katana here because if I was in the past, I was a samurai, etc., etc. The jaw is here. Instead of using my weapons, I use the jaw. Okay, this is important. This said, what I wanted to share you is this: if somebody is in this position, it is impossible, nearly impossible, to penetrate the other. So inside the katageiko, most of the people do this or do this, so that invites the other in a go-no-sen situation to attack us, okay? But in reality, when Susie Sensei is in her guard, I am not here, blocked in time, in through space, is not logical. I will try to move around, slowly around Susie Sensei, so I can find the opening, okay? So this is a point very important to understand. In the katageiko, we are in front, one of us, of the other. For the video, we are in front one of the other. In the reality, I will try to attack her in various manners, and she must modify the katageiko to do this, okay? This is important. Well, it was an important part, so I will invite in the other videos to come and watch this to understand this movement, okay? Now let's start the second Kumi Jo. I am Uchijo, she is Ukejo. As Uchijo, I will attack her, because I am already in this position, in Chokutsuki. She deflects and attacks, okay? What she is doing is this. The first thing is from the attack, she moves outside the attack, the line of attack. By moving outside the line of attack, she puts the jaw through her and me, Uchijo, okay? So the attack is coming, she moves and prepares her attack and does her attack, okay? Her chokutsuki. So please, the first movement is attack and parry, which is not a real parry, it's a barai, okay? I do attack and she does barai. The second, she attacks here, okay? We are moving in dankai, so movement by movement, okay? We are not doing awase. In this case, I have 2 options. The first one is to do like in Sanjuichi no Kumi Jo, go back, okay? It is not needed that I hit the jaw. Saito Sensei, when he taught us how to do this kind of movement, he always said to not go and touch, because it is not realistic. The first thing that I do is move my body outside her line, because I don't know how much reach she has, okay? She may have a longer jaw, who knows, or both, okay? So the first thing is go back and I put my jaw. If by going back I am lucky, probably, but it is not important, okay? In this case, I will choose the second possibility. Thank you. The second possibility, which is going in naname. I am eating her distance. Why? Because I want to hit her leg, okay? Because it is the first thing that I meet. The second, if I try to hit her head, I need to do a movement that is far longer, at the same time too slow to do, okay? So when she attacks my head, when I see this thing, this jaw coming to my head, the first thing is go through. It is not important that I touch the jaw, okay? In many cases, in reality, when she comes with the repeat the chokutsuki, okay? I will do attack. Okay, I attack, she does, and you see, I go through. By going through, I will do Renzoku Chikomi to her leg, or Yokomi to her leg. Okay, this is important. She understands that something is wrong. Something is wrong, and I am going down. She protects her leg. Okay. By protecting her leg, the rule is always the same. She attacks Jodan, protecting her leg. She puts the jaw down and tries to move the leg outside. What is important is to understand that doing so, the first thing is the right leg goes in the circle inside, is go migi inside. The second thing, the body and the jaw goes down. Okay, the body moves to the leg, for the weight to the leg, and the jaw goes down. Okay, it is not important that the jaw hits the other's jaw. Okay, so please put it in barai. I am here. I am not finished, because inside the Aikido we can do more attacks. We see it in the Sanjuichi no Jokata. So in this moment I decide to attack her body, and she defends attacking my body. Okay. In this case we see the same thing. I suggest you really to go to see the first video. The same case of a body movement, her eating for distance, at the same time using the weight to create power. Eating distance, using weight to create power, means that the attack of the jaw will be very, very strong. What happens? When she does the barai, her leg is up, because the first thing she wants to do is to return to the line and attack. In this case, because Uchijo, which I was, is attacking the body part, the Chudan part, she goes outside, like when she went outside doing the first part of the first Kumi Jo. She goes outside, the body weight is moving to the leg, and she attacks. So the attack of the other is outside. Okay. This is the second Kumi Jo. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel, put the like, and share the video as much as you can. Thank you.